power and the consistency of the cordless concrete nailer, it surprises you because you look at it and you think it's gonna have a powerful recoil, and then when you press it, it's very soft and gentle, so you can just keep on going without having to worry about a recoil.
Yeah, concrete nailer is really good, consistent, it's fast and easy to use. I think it's one of the best in the business. The projects we've been using this product for are tracks. It actually keeps up with the steel and the concrete, so it's good with both.
My name is Ricardo Solorzano. So I work for Now Specialties, and I've been in the trade for 10 years. So, you know, it still have the washers on them, doing the same thing as a power actuated.
When we're using the concrete nailer, it's actually a gain of productivity and doesn't slow us down, it makes us go faster.
I could change the battery real easy and just keep on going without having a missing time of work.
What I do like about the new Dewalt nailer is, you know, you can use your battery that you already use on with your cordless, just swap it on, put it on, and you're ready to go. You know, ever since I've been working in construction, I've used Dewalt. It's a great product. They come out with new products and great products.